application problems with trial and error. Okay, so here's the thing. Sometimes when we have a problem and we're like, not really sure how to do this, the best part is just trying something, right? So we try something, we realize, didn't work, we try something else. So trial and error is the method that we are going to now use. So, an example. Carolyn scored 23 points on 12 shots in her last basketball game. If 5 of those shots were free throws, which are worth 1 point each, how many 2 and 3 point shots did she make? Okay, we can do this. Now, there's a lot of different things and a lot of actually different ways you can do this. So one thing that I like to do is I like to just kind of create a table. So when I create a table, and really, can I get a slide where there's just amazing? Okay, so when I create a table, I want to talk about points. So I have 1 point, 2 points, and 3 points. These are the baskets that we're making. Now, we know total there were 12 shots, right? She made 12 shots. Maybe I should put shots. And she scored a total of 23 points. So these are like the 2 key things we need to think about. We know that 5 of the shots were 1-pointers. That means these 2 numbers together must be 7, because 7 plus 5 is 12. I had to think for a minute there. So if I start with, okay, let's just go with 1 and 6, because 1 plus 6 is 7. Now, points. She had 5 1-point shot, 1 2-point shot, and 6 3-point shots, right? Now, together, 5 plus 2 plus 18 is 25. That's too high. This doesn't work. Okay, again, we got a 5. So let's just say, okay, what about 2 and 5? So now we are 5 plus 4 plus 15, because 2 times 2 is 4 and 5 times 3 is 15. Add those together, 24. Nope. And if you pay attention and you see a pattern, you might be able to do this a little more quickly. But as I'm working through, okay, let me put a line through that one. Again, I know there's 5 1-point shots. Let's go to 3 and 4. So 5 plus 6 plus 12, because 3 times 2 is 6, right? 3 2-point shots. 4 3-pointers is 12 points. So together, 5 plus 6 plus 12 is 23. So we have 12 shots, 23 points. So she made 3 2-pointers and 4 3-pointers. And that's how we can figure it out. So I'm an organized visual person. So when I have a problem like this that I need to kind of think through and visualize, I am very much going to do more of a table approach, if you will, because it's organized. You don't have to use a table. There's no rule for that. But if you find yourself that you are often disorganized, your work is all over the place, then a table will just kind of help organize your thoughts. And I'm all about a little help with my organization, since I can kind of keep it a little more concrete, a little nicer, a little organized, helps me get to the answer more efficiently. And that's an example of using trial and error.